Okay guys, 2017 Lincoln Navigator oil change. Basically you come onto the passenger side of the car and you go down and under the car. Okay, so when you're under the car you have to take off this bolt. This whole panel needs to come off, this one here. So this is four bolts, 8mm right here. Another one right there, and the one right there, and there's another one on the other side, just like this one here. And so this panel comes off, and that right there is where the drain plug is. Okay, so on the passenger side, looking from the passenger side, looking from the passenger tire, the engine drain plug is right there. Once you got these open, and then the drain plug is right there, and then the oil filter is up front. Let me show you. And the oil filter, you come to the front driver's side, so front light right here, driver's side tire, you come underneath from here and you go down under, you twist these four things, these plastic white ones, twist them to open it. You gotta put your hand in there all the way towards the engine, and you're gonna feel for the oil filter. You can't see it, it is impossible to see it, so you just put your hand through there, and your left hand will be the easiest way to do it. So put your left hand in there all the way towards the engine, and you can see, you can feel the oil filter. Once you feel the oil filter, just start twisting it towards the passenger side from the top, and then keep twisting it, turning it, taking off, and see that. Let me show you right there. That hole, you might have a cover over there. You open that cover, and all the oil will drip from there, and some will drip from here. There's a drip tunnel, and once that, you just put the new filter in, and that's it.